Alright, thanks for tuning in to Leading Forecast and man, getting stormy out here. Tell ya. Not we're gonna stay pretty quiet till next week, but then we're gonna heat things up. It seems like it's been relatively quiet this winter, but get ready. Things could be changing. Let's go on over. We do have one system coming through the Midwest right now, bringing some rain and snow, and you can kind of see this curly Q here. Another system coming down across the Southwest, down towards the Baja area. But going on over to the current radar, this is as we get into the Midwest here. You can see we do have some snow up here across across northern Illinois, out towards Ohio, and then rain down south. And that's going to continue to move off to the east in places north of I-70. I don't know what keeps doing that. North of I-70 out here, going to see probably snow, and then south of I-70 mostly rain. Very minimal snow. I'd be surprised to see if too many people get more than an inch. So it's going to be pretty quiet. Going on over to the current watches and warnings, there pretty much are none. There's a few flood watches and warnings and advisories out across the central portions of the United States. But as far as actual, any kind of severe weather, winter weather warnings, there are none. So, doesn't seem like this time of year we've been getting too many days like that. All right, let's go on over to the GFS. This is the 500 millibar charts. This is as we get, I guess, later on today. This is about early in the AM. Here's your little trough coming in. That's going to be causing those snow showers and rain showers to break out kind of out ahead of it. And then here's that low we were just talking about down here across the Baja. Then as we get into, we'll skip ahead to early Monday. Here's this trough coming through. Another low out here. And then as we get into early Wednesday, here's your low pressure center. That trough coming in, digging in here. And then here comes another storm on board. And then as we get into, this is Friday the 17th. This is next week. Here's your trough coming in, storm coming in with this system. And then another storm kicking out here. And then look at this trough as we get later on in February. This is the 22nd. Look at this huge trough digging in. And, we got both jet streams phasing together. And this is, this GFS is showing, crazy storms. It's showing a very active pattern. Let's go on over. This is the surface map. Here's high pressure system setting in. Cold air trying to work its way in over the eastern portion of the United States, the coldest area of the season. We start to warm up out west here. This is late tomorrow or later today, I guess I should say. Now that it's after midnight here across the East Coast. Then as we get into Thursday, still cold air working its way south here. Some showers going on down across the south central plains there. And then as we get into Sunday, high pressure system sitting out here across the Midwest and still pretty chilly out here. And then as we get finally skipping ahead, this is as we get into next Wednesday. Here's a low pressure center coming up across the Michigan area. This is bringing mostly rain and possibly some thunderstorms down south. We'll just have to wait and see how that goes. Potentially some of those may end up being severe. And then some snow starting to fall out here across the plains out towards Denver and Utah. And then look at this as we get into the 17th. Huge low comes up here, runs off the coast. Here's your cold air line now coming in. Snow breaking out, and back of that from Illinois up through Indiana, western Ohio, and then rain and thunderstorms probably, maybe even some squalling going on with this cold front that's going on down across south of the low. And then again, here's that low. It starts to go up the East Coast, and your cold air setting down through here, and you get snow in the upstate New York, PA, up towards Maine. We'll have to wait and see how this plays out. I know some of these models are wanting to, bring this low more out here, which I don't know if I agree with this going like right up the coast like this, like your typical nor'easter. I think it probably goes right up the I-90 corridor and probably ends up breaking snow out Ohio up towards PA in this area here. I think Indiana, Illinois, Kentucky, you're probably going to miss out on a lot of the snow with this system. I think it goes up this way. We'll have to wait and see. I don't know. That's just my feeling, just with the way the MJO and showing going into a different phase, and the NAO and the AO and the PNA and everything just leads me to trend to think that this has a pretty good handle on it, and it may actually go just farther east and bring that snow band a little farther east. So, Aaron Rigsby, you guys out there might want to watch out for this storm, I think. So we'll have to wait and see. You know, it's way far out. I know that everybody's saying, "Oh, he's wish casting now. He's wish casting," but you know, who cares? You know, if you have a problem with wish casting, feel free not to watch the show, I guess. So, anyways, that's all. That's all I have. So have a great week, and until next time, I'm Joseph Cooper.